Going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Honda CRV hybrid here, and I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. Okay, so what we're going to do is hit the home button, and when we're in home, we're going to use the wheel here. Okay, it's also an enter button if you push it in. We're going to go down to not maintenance, but we're going to go to settings. Okay, hit the wheel button in, and once you're in vehicle settings, you're looking for maintenance reset. Hit enter, and you're going to do all items due, or the maintenance item that needs to be reset. Okay, if you know which one it is. Okay, if it says like oil maintenance B, but I'm going to go ahead and pick all items due, and that will reset the oil life. All right, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. If you subscribe and you need this video again, and you put it in the search bar, this video will pop up first, so do that. And I hope to catch you again in another video.